What's up, Framix?
I've been running out my time just to get it. I think about it every minute. I miss my old dogs, I'm so sad that I can't finish. I've been running on my pain, stacking everything. I'm up on my grind, I can't lose to nobody else. I think about it every minute. Been running up my pay, stacking new shoes on the way. Hey babe, I'll take you on a date. Spin a new car, spin a Hellcat up on the way, baby. It's all for you, it's all for you, it's all for you, baby. It's all for you, it's all for the family. Yeah, part of pressure, part of car. I've been doing the race. I've been doing the race, baby, for a couple years. I've been thugging it out for another year. I'ma thug it out for another year. Been up on my grind for a year. Nobody can knock me down this year. I know nobody can knock me down this year, boy. Stay in the grind. I've been applying pressure to the money. I've been applying pressure to the money. Hey, Dean is broke. They need to run up they stack like me. Hey, I've been running all my time just to get it. I think about it. I miss my old dog. I'm so sad I can't finish. I've been running all my time just to get it. I think about it every minute. I miss my old dogs. I'm so sad that I can't finish. I miss my old dogs. I've been running up my paint, stacking everything. I'm up on my grind. I can't lose to nobody else. Been running up that paint. Got 1,000 in the bank. Got 1,000 in cash with me right now. Flex the money on TikTok or IG. Spend the money on Twitter IG. Spend the money on some new shoes on Yeezys. Hey, got you, babe. For the film. Everything. Peace out.